Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I want to introduce myself. My name is Juleha. I come from Indramayu, West Java of Indonesia. I'm 32 years old. I'm Muslim. I'm married. I have one children. He is 7 years old. My last education is junior high school. I have experience in Jakarta 3 years, for 2020 until 2023. My job are take care children, general housework and cooking. I can cook Indonesian food, for example, French chicken, French fries, and vegetable soup. I can handle pork, wash pork, cook pork, but I cannot eat pork. I scared of dog. I can speak English. I want go to Singapore because I need more money for my family and my future. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Singapore.